Good evening, everyone. My name is Lewis Livingston, and with me is...
Dylan Cerna.
And we did a project on tracking high-speed chase vehicles with machine learning. So that's the main point behind our project is we were trying to track the suspects' vehicles as they're fleeing from police officers using machine learning and machine vision techniques. So the reason we're doing this is really to lessen the effects of the dangers that high-speed chases can bring, such as fatalities to the suspects themselves, to law enforcement officers, and to the public at large. So we're hoping that using machine learning techniques in the future, police officers will be able to use these techniques to develop uh, law enforcement techniques themselves to lessen the impact of high-speed pursuits.
And to touch briefly on one of the challenges we encountered while executing this project. So we were tasked originally with getting turn data from these videos of high-speed police chases. And we spent a lot of time tracking the car itself without realizing that the video in itself inherently is tracking the car. So we spent a lot of time trying to get the XY of the vehicle as it moved across the plane, and we figured out that it doesn't move in a meaningful way across the plane. So next, we, as you guys can see from the red line in our results photo, we decided to try to track background images, and the opposite of the images passing the vehicle will be the direction of our car. So yeah, that was one of the original problems we faced.
Correct. And so that's mainly what our project was about, were these three topics, or these three things. If there's any questions, you can reach us during the Q&A section at 5 during C-Day. And we also, our emails are listed at the top as well. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you.